Hello everyone, this is the Fungang and today we are going to be playing Beeswarm again. So, I just finished the quest by killing one mantis over there. Okay, so now I can talk to Science Bear. And then we can get something, we can get a better pollen collector. What are you gonna give me? Okay, that. Now what's your next quest? A bunch of ice pollen, strawberry, cactus, three scorpions, three spiders. Well, the vicious bee has spawned somewhere. And I know where it spawned. I saw it. I'm just gonna do this real fast. Yeah, I saw it. I'm just gonna get some royal jelly from this.
It's in Rosefield.
Yeah, I saw it. It's not gifted, sadly.
Yeah. And it says 21K.
Okay, let's go. Attacking the vicious bee again. Up. Maybe in this episode we can see the windy bee. Yes. So, after we kill this vicious bee, I am gonna buy the bubble wand, which is much better than my honey, than my collector. But we still need like 200,000. We need 3.5 million. And like maybe we can get, and we're gonna get the bubble wand. Comment down below if you want. What do you think is better, the bubble wand or the scythe? The scythe is in the red bee place, that thing, and the bubble wand is what I'm gonna get. So yeah, in the blue bee place. Comment down below. What do you think is better? So let's get the rage bee. Boom. Okay, dodge that. Quickly go over here. Boom. Oop. Jump over that. Dodge this. And there's also some jelly beans. There was some jelly beans. Cool. I need some more stingers. You know, we're still on our way to try to get the vicious bee. So hey, any amount of stingers will do. I would before like 10 stingers or like 11, but hey, 3 would be good. Just like any number above 1, because 1 is the worst thing you can get. But even 1 would be okay, because it's better than nothing. Ow! I just flew right into a scythe. You died?
Yes, I was watching YouTube and it was focusing.
Oh, okay. Whoop.
Oh no, don't kill it. How many eyes is it at?
6,000.
Oh.
5,000. 4,000. 3.
No.
Well then, there are some scorpions. I don't know for who.
For me.
Yep, my scorpions still need a... Oh, they just spawned. I just need to kill 1 more scorpion. No, actually 2 more. Die. Now I need to kill 1 more scorpion and then we can finish a part of the science bear. So if you didn't see the last episode, we got the glider and we opened up a diamond egg. And we sadly didn't get a mythic, but we did get a ninja bee, which we do not have.
Don't spoil it. Maybe they didn't watch.
Yeah, I'm just telling them. Yeah, well, you can go check that video out in the playlist. Yeah, it will be right at the end of the video. All our Beeswarm videos that we made. Okay, the vicious bee. Hey, it gave us more than 1. It gave us 2.
It gave us 2. Yay.
So now we still need 400 more honey tokens for the honeybees. I'm just gonna kill a spider real quick because I need to. Never mind, I can't. Do I need to kill a rhino beetle? Nope, but hey, I'm still gonna kill it. Boop. Boom. Okay, so brown bear, red cat, rose. Anything from the pineapple? Nope, no one wants the pineapple, sadly. So we need some white pollen, 125,000 white pollen to be exact. So I'll just be back to you when I finish ongoing process, like every single quest there. So boop. Okay, I'm back. I'm not really done with the quest, but I just wanted to get something. The bubble thing. So yeah, let's go. Strawberry, rose. Okay, let's go. Boom. I got this. Let's see how good it is. Oh, it's actually pretty good. I mean, the size would be better for my quest, but hey, eventually I'm gonna get them both, and I can use the size if I need to get something in the red pollen place, and I'll use the bubble thing if I need something in the blue pollen. But I'll be back to you when I finish this quest. Boop. Okay, I'm back. I didn't finish it. I was just grinding, but the windy bee.
Where?
In the pineapple, and I mean in the pumpkin. You know, like the last time, we're fighting the windy bee again in the pineapple.
Finally, a windy bee.
I don't think I have a quest in pineapple. I don't. But hey, there's a werewolf. Everyone's here.
I don't know.
So 3,000, and there's a timer. So let's hope we can get further than last time. Last time we only defeated this stage.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna kill it.
It won't. It doesn't die.
Really?
Yep.
Oh god.
After this, it just drops a bunch of items and then gets more health.
I mean, we're gonna like make it to 0 health like it's like now.
Okay, there you go. So what it's gonna spawn? It gave us
Ooh.
that's a lot of stuff. And now now what is it?
I don't know. Oh wait, I think it's over here. Oh wait. No.
What the?
Where did it go?
We weren't paying attention. It is, I don't know.
Same. Maybe it went.
Yeah, I think it did. But hey, I got some royal jelly.
Me too.
And while I wait for one more scorpion to spawn and 3 more spiders, I'm gonna use my royal jellies. Bomber bee, demo bee, another really demo. Fine, we're gonna end up on a rascal. Okay. So I will be back to you in a flash of and a snap of my fingers. Boop. But I found the windy bee. It's in the 25B place.
25?
Yep. But we only have like 1 minute and 50 seconds to remove 6,000 health.
I think we can.
There you go.
Only if my bees come.
Where are they?
They're in the sky.
Oh, I think they came.
There. Because I saw a lion bees. And they. No!
Where did you go?
I flew off the map. Oh wait, I'm in the ant place.
What, you flew all the way to the ant place?
Yes.
Well, at least it's kind of close to the red thing.
Red cannon.
Yep, red cannon.
Okay, I'm back. I literally flew behind the ant place.
Yep, the windy bee is very windy.
How do you even get to it?
I don't know. That's the thing. Like I thought like it drops wind and like it's like the vicious bee, but no, when it dies, it doesn't drop anything.
Wind.
Yeah, like drop something like a mini tornado, and you need to collect a bunch of tornadoes to summon
That would
him
be
for
nice.
you.
That would be nice. Mini tornado.
Yeah, and then like you need to collect like a bunch of tornadoes to summon him. Cause like tornadoes is a thing.
Ah. Yay.
And that's it. He's going.
I'm gonna follow him.
No, you can't.
I would.
He's in the 35B place. What do you mean? He's going to the pepper field.
Oh no.
You can't.
Okay, let's do vicious bee. Now.
Oh yeah, vicious.
I'm gonna check a clover.
Nothing in rose.
Oh man, I saw it again. Nothing in clover. And of course, nothing in blue flower.
Nothing in spider.
Yeah.
Except some spiders, which I need to kill. Actually, I need to kill 3 of them. So
Nothing in bamboo.
exhausted bee levels.
Go to. Did you check 15 bee please?
15. No.
You go check there and I'll check the 10 here.
Okay.
Not in pineapple. Not in stump.
Not in 15B place. I don't think.
Nowhere. Oh wait, 25 bee please.
I think I checked there.
I'm just gonna check there.
Is there?
I'm going that right now.
A quadruple honey making. Oh no, not a quadruple. It was a third.
Just a mondo chick.
Yeah, I don't think it's there.
Yep. Probably in like coconut or something.
Or maybe it's with the windy bee in pepper.
Maybe.
Boom.
By the way, you have to step on the spike for it to move.
Yeah, I know.
So what if like the spike is like hiding in like a bush in the clover field?
I don't know.
Or like hiding in like a blue barrel?
Or like hiding in a rose, cause like it's always in the rose field for some reason now.
Maybe like in the black thing in the spider field.
Well, it's day now. I think it went.
Yep. Can you go through this? No.
So, let me check the quests. One more scorpion, which I think I can do.
What's the quest?
Quest.
Come on, I just need.
There you go. I can kill the scorpion. Scorpiono.
I got 17 million from the 25 million.
Okay, I only need to kill 2 more spiders, and then that's it. I have 2 quests here, so yeah, I'm just gonna be back to you when I finish the brown bear quest. Boop. Boom. I can talk to brown bear because I finished the brown bear quest. Amazing. So let's fly all the way to him. And I can't take. Can I take another 12 minutes and then I can. What did he give me? He gave me. I don't know. I forgot how many royal jelly he gave me. I'm not gonna spend I'm not gonna buy any royal jelly with my tickets. I'm just gonna, cause I don't like. What the? Why is everything green? Okay, there we go. My Rascal Bee, Bumblebee, Rascal Bee, and we're gonna end up on a Looker Bee. Such an amazing thing. Oh, just kidding. It's not. It's a bird. So now the only thing we need to do is get the spider, which I think we can collect now. Nope, we can't. We just need one more spider, and then we can have the fee, and then a few more from the mushroom, one more scorpion, and then wait, I think the scorpions we can do. Can we? Nope, we can't. All we can do now is get the high altitude and mountain top. All we can do is do the quest high altitude. So I'll be back to you when I do that cool quest. Boop. Okay, never mind. Change of plans. That's way too hard because I need to collect almost 1,000,000. So I'll just do the yellow cannon, and then we will end off the video when it's night time. Just kidding. We're gonna end the video after we what do we do to end the video? Sure, we're gonna use a royal jelly. That's I just spent a lot, like 6 tickets, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. And we got a Frosty Bee, so that's it. That's the end of this episode. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. And as always, don't have a good day, have a fun day. Goodbye, everyone.